In this demonstration, we will install our Windows roaming client. Go to the MSP organization. On the left menu, click Deployments, then Roaming Clients. Follow the steps to install Roaming Client. Remember to copy and store the site secret key. You will need this for the last part of the installation. The Enable Auto Registration allows you to register mobile devices automatically. This has no effect on Windows, Mac OS, roaming clients, or relay deployment. Next, click on the version to download the installer package. Select the appropriate version for your device. In this example, we will select 64-bit. Open the package and run the DNS Agent Wizard installer. Select the destination folder. In this example, we will retain the default C drive location. Click Next. Paste the secret key that you have copied earlier. The network secret key associates the roaming client with the site. Click Next. Click Install to complete the installation. Click Finish. Once agent installation is complete, the DNS icon is displayed on the system tray.